Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, outside temperature gauge, perimeter alarm, power brakes, battery saver, body color door handles, tire pressure monitoring system, braking assist. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.